Let us discuss about cosine rule. That is, in a triangle ABC, cos A is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Cos A value is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Similarly, cos B will be a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Cos C will be b square plus a square minus c square divided by 2ab, that is cos C. So these are the formulas for cosine rule. How to prove this one? Let us see proof for the formula. I'll prove any one of these three. Remaining similarly we can prove. Consider the triangle ABC. Small a, small b, small c are side lengths. I am dropping a perpendicular from A to BC, which is AD. AD is altitude. Now, what is the value of AD? AD length we need to identify. So, for that, AD length, I am applying trigonometry here. So, clearly you can see sin B is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So AD is clearly C sin B. We got AD length. Similarly, let us identify BD also. So in the similar manner, BD will be what? BD will be C cos B. I think you are following. BD will be C cos B. That is BD length. How we will get this BD? To get BD in the same triangle ADB, how we have done here? Like that, cos B you have to consider. So if you consider cos B, it will be adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So clearly BD will be C cos B, like that I have written. That you need to understand. So what about DC? DC is nothing but A minus BD. A minus BD means C cos B it is. So DC is A minus C cos B. Why? Because BC is small a, BD is C cos B. To get DC, I need to subtract C cos B from full length A. Now, in triangle ABC, you can see that AD is altitude. AD is altitude. I think it is very clear for you. AD is what? It is altitude. Then you can see here 90 degrees. So from triangle ADC, what I can write? In triangle ADC, 90 degrees is present at D, so hypotenuse will be AC. So we can write B square equals to AD square plus DC square. So we can write B square equals to AD square. AD square means we can write C square sin square B. C square sin square B plus DC square means A minus C cos B whole square. That means A square plus C square cos square B minus 2AC cos B. I have applied whole square for this in Pythagoras theorem. So a minus b whole square formula I have applied here. So you can see by taking c square common, it becomes a square plus c square. If you take common, it will be identity sin square b plus cos square b, it is 1 minus 2ac cos b. So I got b square is a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. What is the value of cos b? Transform mathematically, you will get a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. I said already in the beginning of the proof, I'll only prove any one of these three. So I have proved this. Remaining also in the similar manner we can prove. Don't worry about that. Just go through the proof and try to remember the formula. So it is very easy. I think it is very clear. We can write cosine rule as a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Like this also you can write. In the similar manner, b square will be equals to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. What about c square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. These forms also most important. According to problem, we have to apply the formula. So if you have b, c and angle a, if you know b, c and angle a, whenever if you want to identify a, then it is better to use this formula. Whenever if you know all the three side lengths, to find angle a, you need to identify angle a. Whenever you know these three side lengths, then it is better to use cos a equals to anything you can use. Anyhow, if you use this, you have to transform mathematically. So otherwise directly you can use, then only one or two steps you will go forward. So cos a will be what? B square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. It is better to use this formula. So in any situation, I think you got the usage of cosine rule. I think it is very clear for you. Next problem. In triangle ABC, find the value of a minus b whole square cos square c by 2 plus a plus b whole square sin square c by 2. This value we need to identify in triangle ABC. So we can apply the formula a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos square c by 2 plus this is a square plus b square plus 2ab sin square c by 2. Now let us multiply cos square c by 2 for this and for this separately. So it is a square plus b square times cos square c by 2 minus 2ab cos square c by 2 plus here it is a square plus b square times sin square c by 2 plus 2ab times sin square c by 2. Now from this and from this, if you take a square plus b square common, it will be 1 clearly. Why? Because it is identity inside the bracket. Cos square c plus sin square c, it is 1. So minus 2ab if you take common, it becomes cos square c by 2. From these two minus 2ab taking common, it is cos square c by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Cos square c by 2 minus sine square c by 2. Now you can see here this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here this is the formula for cos 2 theta, that means cos 2 into theta is c by 2, so cos c. So clearly you can see this is the formula for c square according to cosine rule. Once go through the solution.